Hello, wonderful people. I greet all of you. Igbo Class World, bringing to you all you need to know about traveling. Today, we are bringing you a huge change in Canada. Canada is now easy and faster. Before, when you want to work in Canada, before you process everything, it will take you 6 to 8 months to process everything. But today, they have changed and make it faster and easier. That it will take you only 2 months to process your work visa. This is the job bank. Job bank, just go into your browser and type www.gc.ca. That is Canada Job Bank. Is government website, well recognized government job site. When you go there, you will see a lot of employer, you will see fine job, you will see languages. Please note that Canada speak two languages, French and English. Then click English and start your job site search. You will see employers and you will see where they wrote certified. When you see certified, you will know that that employer is capable of employing foreign workers. Then you apply if you are qualified. And this September is ongoing. Application is ongoing. If you are qualified, if you are agricultural worker, you can apply, because agricultural workers, they are applying from now, this September, ongoing. Next batch will come later. This is satisfy. When you go into the job site and you see employer, this thing will appear near the employer's name. Then you will know that that employer is qualified, that employer is eligible to employ foreign workers. When you didn't see any certify near the employer's name, then you know that that person cannot employ foreign workers. So dear people, rush now to Canada website and start to apply if you are agricultural worker. They are calling on agricultural workers to come and apply now, because it's their turn. Next turn will be for other jobs, other professionals. But now, starting now in this September, then agricultural workers, they are employing. Look at the website for Canada work visa. When you go into this website, you will see everything you need to know. Just type it in your browser and start browsing. You will see find job. You will search with the keywords and know what you want. You know what you, and before I am searching and applying, you will know that you have all the necessary documents, necessary skills before applying. Canada has make it easy now. Before, it will take you up to 8 months before your visa will be processed, but now it is just 2 months, because this lemma, they said, is in the hands of employers. Before, lemma is in the hands of government and agents, making it difficult for people to process their visa very fast. So dear people, Canada has open way. So search for the job you specialize, the area of your specialization. But now they are hiring livestock laboring, harvesting laborers. Livestock, you have to work in the farm. A farm including where they rear the animal, livestock laborers, harvesting laborers, specialist laborers. Yes, you will ask the employer whether he has a lima means labor market impact assessment. That is the lemma. Look at the abbreviation. Is a document that an employer in the Canada may need to get before hiring a foreign worker. That is lemma. So you have to find out, you have to see that the person is certified employer before dealing with the person. So dear people, they are hiring labor, yes, harvesting laborers, specialist livestock workers, specialist livestock workers, farm machine operators. Can you operate farm machine? A farm including horticulture, rearing of animal, crop, and so on and so forth. Can you drive tractor? Can you drive truck? Are you a driver? Are you a lorry driver, truck driver? They are lacking a lot in Canada now. If you can browse through the internet and apply and show them that yes, you are eligible, yes, you upload everything you have, CV, you upload what again, cover letter, everything they need to see, you upload it and show them yes, I am eligible, I can do this work. You show them everything beyond reasonable doubt that yes, you can do this job. Are you able to do that? Head to Canada. Head to Canada. They are very friendly. They are immigration friendly. So I've shown you the site. I've shown you the job bank. So what you need to do is to copy it and put it into your browser and start browsing. You will see everything you need to know about them. Please note that I'm not agent. I'm not issuing visa. I'm not visa agent or employer or agent. I'm not employer. I'm not agent. I'm just giving information what I know. I will come out to show you what I know. Just information. Please, no need to tell me say, hey, I need help, please help me, please give me this, please educate me more, please I need to know, my inbox is full. So I don't even go to my inbox because I'm afraid to go there because of too much messages. I cannot read all. It's only me. um Many people are inboxing me, DMing me, telling me all sort of things to do for them. Please, I'm not capable. My only work is to give you information. I've showed you everything, to give you link, show you the way, then you can navigate by yourself. When you come back and start asking me, the whole world is asking one person, so the person cannot do it. That's why I'm showing you the link. I'm showing you the link on the screen. So there is our admin that will come to show you. Also, maybe post it in the comment section. Charles, Mazi Charles.